What you see here is nothing but our own irresponsible attitude towards an integral part of a healthy and content lifestyle. Selfishness on part of the common man and lack of heed given to it by the authorities has all but fueled this detrimental attitude towards civic sense. Heaps of trash next to trash cans and the smell of decaying garbage form the habitat of the average Pakistani, so much so that people are oblivious to such scenes while standing right next to them. This negative mindset has prevailed so fully in our society that even the educated class, the so-called elite, have fallen prey to it. Driving in Pakistan, you not only have to drive your own car, but the cars of those around you. A self-centered approach of drivers on the road, coupled with a lack of driving ability, makes for scenes of mayhem on all major roads. Moreover, the futile efforts of the authorities to control traffic have propagated this issue. A hasty and inconsiderate lifestyle leads to the display of irresponsibility on the roads. Blatant disregard for traffic laws, lack of common sense, and extreme selfishness are common traits exhibited on the road. Overloaded public transport and garbage being thrown out of moving vehicles are oft witnessed sights. Overhead bridges, dressed in advertisement banners, are treated like ornaments, and people choose to endanger their lives instead by crossing the roads on foot. Excessive smoke spewing out of vehicles and unmaintained exhaust systems have led to a constant halo of smog around the whole city. Ear-piercing noise of rickshaws and of motorbikes, and the constant honking of horns by impatient drivers all cause unnecessary noise pollution. Walls of the city are filled with graffiti, from political slogans to confessions of love, from gang signs to poetic verses. Freedom of expression is indeed present. Such graffiti is also found in public toilets, where the conditions themselves are despicable. From rusted basins to filthy, unmaintained toilets, the scene is, quite literally, horrendous. Runny taps, broken pipes, and leaky plumbing, all of which seem inconsequential on their own, actually lead to tons of water being lost each year. Household leaks and wastage during sanitation alone amount to over 100 gallons being lost every week. All the highlighted issues are a prevalent part of our society. The main issue is not the presence of these problems, but their recognition as real problems. This awareness needs to be inculcated into our social fabric for us to even hope for progress in the area of civic sense. By being socially responsible ourselves, correcting our own wrongdoings, and reprimanding those who do not change, we can, in our own small way, show that we care and try to make our environment a better place to live in.